Just like the interest in mechanical keyboards for their customization, tactile feedback, and durability, the demand for TV wall mounts is growing among homeowners and entertainment enthusiasts. A good wall mount enhances your viewing experience, saves space, and adds a sleek, modern touch to any room. In this guide, we evaluate the best TV wall mounts based on build quality, motion range, installation ease, load capacity, and overall value. List number: Mounting Dream TV Wall Mount for 32 to 65-inch television. The Mounting Dream TV Wall Mount is a solid, budget-friendly choice for TVs between 32 and 65 inches. Featuring swivel and tilt functions, it lets you find the perfect viewing angle no matter your room's layout. The design supports up to 99 pounds, making it compatible with most flat or curved screen TVs. The 6-arm articulating design provides smooth movement and extends up to 15.2 inches from the wall. List number: EchoGear Max Motion TV Wall Mount for large TVs, 42 inches to 90 inches. The EchoGear Max Motion is a heavy-duty wall mount built for big screens, supporting TVs from 42 to 90 inches. Its standout feature is smooth full motion thanks to its dual articulating arms, allowing 130 degrees of swivel and 15 degrees tilt for glare-free viewing. It's built to handle up to 125 pounds, and it fits a wide range of VESA patterns. One of its best features is the simple 30-minute installation. List number 3. Perligear UL listed full motion TV wall mount for 42 to 85-inch TVs. The Perligear full motion mount is a versatile option for large TVs ranging from 42 to 85 inches and weighing up to 132 pounds. With UL certification, safety is a top priority. It features dual articulating arms for full motion movement and a tool-free tilt function, allowing you to angle your screen up to +5 degrees, -15 degrees with just your hands. Its sturdy steel construction, smooth motion, and wide VESA compatibility, 200 by 100 millimeters to 600 by 400 millimeters, make it a solid choice for family rooms or home theaters. The installation process is beginner-friendly. List number: USX Mount Full Motion TV Wall Mount for 42 to 86-inch TVs. The USX Mount is a top-rated Amazon favorite for a reason. Designed for TVs from 42 to 86 inches, this mount offers full motion flexibility with a durable frame that supports up to 132 pounds. The dual articulating arms allow swivel, tilt, and extension up to 16.5 inches, letting you find the best viewing angle from virtually any spot in the room. It's compatible with 8-inch, 12-inch, and 16-inch wood studs and a variety of VESA patterns. The instructions are incredibly user-friendly, and the pre-labeled H. List number: Mounting Dream UL listed tilt TV wall mount for 37 to 75-inch TVs. If you're after simplicity and stability, the Mounting Dream UL Tilt TV wall mount is your best bet. Designed for TVs from 37 to 75 inches, it supports up to 132 pounds and offers a low-profile tilt mechanism up to 8 degrees to reduce screen glare. Unlike full motion models, this one is fixed with vertical tilt, making it ideal for TVs mounted at eye level or slightly above. The universal design fits VESA patterns up to 600 by 400 millimeters and installs easily on 16, 18, or 24-inch wood studs. It includes a leveling tool